Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this TackLife mini hot air gun. See, it is a corded heat gun that's about a 6-foot power cord on it. It has a simple on-off switch, so it's just one temperature setting, one speed. It has this little kickstand that you can bring out when you set it down. See the tip there? It comes with this little extension that'll wrap the heat around whatever you're heating up, if it was like heat shrink tubing or solder seal or something like that. And that's the main purpose that I bought this for, so we'll take a look at doing some of that with it. It's also good for loosening up paint, removing stickers. Like I said, the solder seal or heat shrink tubing. We'll try some shrink wrap, see how that goes. So let's plug it in and give it a test. Gets hot quick, that kind of hurts. Alright, so this is just regular plastic shrink wrap. By the way, this gets up to about 600 degrees, 660 I think was the actual total. Works good on shrink wrap. So another use for it, removing stickers. So here's a shipping label on this guy. We're going to heat it up and remove it. Now this is a thermal label, so you can see as it gets hot, it actually is turning black. Now watch how easy this label is just going to peel right off. Bam! Now let's try it for the purpose that I actually bought this. If we can get close enough that you guys can get a good look at what we're doing here. So I got this solder seal and some heat shrink wrap. This is from Point Tool. And you just heat up the solder seal until it shrinks there. You got these two ends crossing over each other. And I really like solder seal. It works out real well for me. So let's see how it works. Got to give you guys a different angle. You want to make sure you get both ends to get that watertight seal. Now before you do anything, you want to let it cool. It'll turn kind of, you see how transparent it is now? It'll be a little translucent, a little opaque once it cools a little bit, and then you got a nice solid connection there. You can see how the solder seal spread out between the wires a little bit. It's good. So you can see it's already cool enough to touch. Nice solid connection, and that is waterproof. We really don't need the shrink tubing, but for the sake of demonstration, we're using it. All right, heat shrink tubing time. Should go fairly quick. The nice thing about that deflector is it brings the heat all the way around, so you don't just have a heat source on one side. So there it is. Works absolutely perfect for what I needed this for. Very happy. Thanks for watching.